Hello guys, CEO Ravi Batra here. After the Global scam, after they have not paid us $30,000, we have become even more aggressive. I also the sales staff working, but I don't want to use the voice of the sales staff because I myself have the voice of the lion, and anybody who thinks that they are steps above Raj can also know that Raj is that lion that lives with his foot on the land but then flies in the sky. So that's who I am, and some people think that they live in the sky called America. And Raj is that lion who can keep his feet on in India but can live in the sky over there itself. So that's my reach over there, and that's who I am. I sell more than $30 million of business of hair per year, and that's how it is there. And which is matched by only very few manufacturers like Great Lens and these kind of companies which are there. They're matched by some of the large manufacturers in China. And how we basically market ourselves is at the level of the top 5 hair extension manufacturers, and I will explain you why. So a lot of people are very ignorant and arrogant, especially in America, UK, European market. Just chill, party, relax, no focus on business focus, no business goals, no focus on ethics. Just get the fucking shitty hair from some Chinese clowns and then market it as the best hair in the market. And these are the real idiots in the market. They're thinking that they're some special. And today I will be showing you, if you have the intellectual IQ to grasp, so you can grasp it. If you don't grasp it, that's fine as well. I'm not doing great business. But Tokens has taught us that the people can basically fall at any level to basically show that how great they are. And this woman right now, Katie Burnett, this clown woman, the lion number 3. क्या लिख रहा है इसके वहाँ पे? इसका creative director. She's a creative director. Can you imagine? She's a photographer also. She's a creative director also. Multitasking to put some bread on this. So I'll be showing you how basically we are doing the things better. Let's cut to the chase. But in my every video, I'll be basically smashing these people and putting the comments on these people because they are really toxic and poisonous people in the market without any knowledge, and they are also bad mouthing me word of mouth on their people, and they're also commenting on my Facebook posts again and again and calling me brown guy, Alibaba, this kind of things they are calling. But they're just ugly looking people. I'm a handsome looking successful guy, and they think they're Caucasian, and I also have a Slavic wife, and she's one of the most beautiful women in entire Ukraine. So that's how it is. But anyways, screw them. So I'll show you what we are doing. And this here, if you see, it's 26 inch here, and this is 27 to 30 inch here. So the problem now comes that many people ask only like 70% double drawn, 80% double drawn. We have all the length. This is how it comes from the temple. Like this is cleaned by us and then put the rubber band, and now it will go in the upper workshop for the bleaching. That's how it will be happening. But only when you mix 27 to 30 with 23 to 26, you are able to make the ratio for the 22 inch double drawn, medium double drawn, which is around 50% here, and then also basically 22 inch double drawn that we're making from 24 inch bulb. So these two ratios basically have to be mixed, and only then it can be made. And the other limitation which is there is that, for example, this here is a curly hair, this is wavy, and this is straight. So sometimes curly hair is coming less. So it all depends on the batches, and only when this hair is stock, like we have a metric ton of the stock, and this hair is now going to, this is around like 23 kilo, 23, 24 kg is there, and final output will be around 15 kg double drawn, which is going from our client, around I think $30,000 order. Though plans it doesn't buy, it doesn't matter, we have so much distribution over there. Why I was yesterday making a video just to basically insult this woman that you should be paying the labor salary. I pay the labor salary of 500 people, and doesn't matter that I pay 70 more labor. Fuck it, screw it. I'm above it, above these poor Tokens people. So that's how it is there. This here is to be mixed with this here. Now I'll be showing you where we stand, how we are better than other manufacturers. Are you like this hair is there, this is will be used for making color number 60. This hair or the grey hair. So that was the limitation, that sometimes this kind of hair is not there in stock and we need more grey hair. So then we have to hold on that color basically. So this is again very beautiful hair. This is all straight texture hair. So around I think 30 to 40% hair is basically the straight hair that we classify. Again, the curly hair is around 30%, the wavy hair is around 30%, and the same is the straight hair. So we can give all the combinations. And how this categorization is done is, first it's categorized by the length, then it is categorized by the texture. So you have the straight, wavy, and the curly, and then basically it is classified also by the color shade. So that's the step up in the bleaching workshop, where it will be basically classified as per the brown hair, the black hair, dark black, or the light brown, and the colors will be made accordingly. So that is the another limitation. And somebody, for example, comes to me from Russia that they want the 5 kg, which is thinner hair. So that also can be hand selected over here. Like this hair is there. This is very thin hair. दिखाना इसको पास से देखो. This hair is thinner hair. It is just like the baby hair which is coming from the Russian market, and this hair is more thicker hair. This is the wavy hair. So that's how it is there. Then this hair is more coarse. So when you see the factor basically, which is the smoothness ratio, so this comes around 3 to 4 on the smoothness ratio, because this hair is not very smooth. So this comes under rougher and the coarser hair, for which we make the curly hair. Now curly hair cannot be smooth as the wavy or the straight hair, because the entire intrinsic nature of the curly hair is that it is basically more coarse. So that's how it is there. And suppose now we have to make the what you call the color number 60 or color number 613 from the curly hair. So we'll be using almost this kind of hair. So this will be used for color number 613 and 60, and all this it will be used for this. Similarly, from the wavy hair, when you have to make color number 60, then the bleacher up will hand select the hair from these kind of things. So they will hand select more browner shades for making the color number 60, color number 613. And if the bleacher feels that the color number 60 cannot be made right now with this, the bleacher doesn't want to take the risk. So I cannot take the risk for that. I'm like, okay, I have to listen to that, okay. Because grey hair is very short in supply, it's only coming from the temples, and the temples are closed. That's what I was telling this company, Dopelands, but then they, at one time they say, we're going to buy $30,000 order from you 15 months. I was like, okay, no problem. Color number 60 is not made, it can be shipped to the next order, it's a small thing. Then they collaborated with this criminal called Vikram Singh Kandola, Vikram Singh Kandola. And then he has been in the Alabama State Prison for like a very long period of time. I already shared the videos, it was the last videos. And this guy told them, oh, I can get you the hair from China, half the price, this, that, you can go there, or I know some Indian vendors. This guy is such a big liar. He lies to the companies and tells that Rocky Kandola is his name right now, from Hair Made in India, that I will basically get you the Indian hair, and then he secretly goes to the Chinese hair. His somebody else told me about this thing, and that's what he does. And then he's selling 14-inch hair at $200 in Beverly Hills and lives over there on his daddy's property or whatever is there. It's none of my business. Somebody told me he's paying $500,000 tax. I don't give a shit. We are doing $30 million sales and paying, I think, 1.5 million, I think we are paying around, because then we have all the expenses, this, that. So anyways, these are just very small talks. The mentality of the people is very small. They come and fight with the manufacturer. You have to be a complete fucking idiot to come and fight with the manufacturer and eat the manufacturer's money, because when the manufacturer doesn't get paid, then the salary of the laborers who are just doing the work around $150 a month, they get screwed. Now, these kind of bad clients, I don't want to call anybody bitch, I don't want to call anybody cunt, because these are the bad words, I don't use them, but there's a huge interconnection of these words with these people. I don't want to badmouth anybody. Then they will go to Supreme Court, High Court, all the required lawyers, this, that, screw them. And but that's the real reality of this woman. They can spend $500. They can go to Mabia and spend $5,000 on a bottle of champagne and blow it out there. Especially the UK women which are coming over there. But to pay a manufacturer $100, $200 is a big problem for them. So that's the funny thing. That's how it is there, and that's what we are basically exposing. Previously I used to be quiet, I never used to say things, but now I think we are just going to go completely hard on these bad people in the market and basically expose them, so that only the brands are not exposing the manufacturer and talking shit about people and thinking, oh, we are sitting in India and we can't do anything. I recently bought an Apple desktop. I did not need it, just to insult this woman and show her case story to everybody on the Apple this. I was having another desktop also, but I was like, okay, I'll buy Apple, and it was a normal thing. So that's how it is there. So guys, take care of yourself and protect them from these predators, these hunter brands, Dopelands, this, that. You see here, hand-tied here, USA, you have all the big scammer brands supported by the Chinese people also coming over there. They don't know shit about the hair. There is no regulation of quality. There is no regulation on what their manufacturer is there, what are the colors, what do they stand for, what is the hair ratio, what is the sign ratio, how much cuticle is there after bleaching, because if the cuticle is not there, the hair will give up after 2 months. Is it coming from China? Mainly if it's coming from China, then it is a synthetic hair mix, non-runny hair, which has been acid processed, and it will not last more than 2 months. So that's how it is there. You have to be very careful, and that's how it is. And thank you guys. Take care of yourself and get back to us on the WhatsApp number given in the link, and we will be more than happy to do your orders. Thank you.